myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question is in the last chapter. You gave me the soul
Dito ka, ate.
today. Without you, I never could have.
Yan.
But now I see what you teach. I can't believe I always should have stayed.
Yun o. Dito muna tayo. May kanin tayo dito. May ulam na samo. Ganda ng music. Kakatulog ka.
Alam ko dito yun eh, pagka yung
Kaya nga. Doon sa kabila o dapat doon ka naka ano para kita yun. Dito tayo daan? Para kita sa kabila. Ayan. Andito na naman yung mga kulto, oh. Ate. Pwede tumayo ka doon sa maisda. Dito ka lang. Tika dito. Usog ka pa. Halika dito sa akin. O, diba? Ang ganda.
ay, ito.
Yun.
Ito. Sige. Hinday, yan sila. Oh. 1, 2. Hindi mo yung ano eh. Ayan na. Huwag ka na lalapit. Lumayo ka na. Oh. 1, 2. Tingnan mo.
Ate, ang ganda ng isda dito. Kulay pula. Ha? Ah, okay. Ganda niya. Ginger green. Ay, dito pala sila nagpapaano, makeup art. Ang ganda. Galing ah. Magkano? 180 for face painting. Wait, parang konti na lang yung tao, no? Hindi nakagaya dati na grabe. Parang na-bored na yung tao. Hindi lang season. Baka, mainit. Ganon.
Uy, lalabas na kami.
Thank you so much sa pa-free na Ocean Park. Mag-picture na lang tayo dyan sa entrance ng dalawang ano. Yan oh, ito. Eh, di ba dalawa yan sila? Yan. Mag-stand nga tayo. Video lang to. Capture na natin.
Malapit lang, okay lang.
Halika dito ulit. Para kinakita.
Nani, thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye. See you next year. See you next year. Ocean Park.
Buti na lang ako may tren papunta dito. Dati wala.
Kaya nga. Ay, bakit? Bakit dati nakatrain naman ako?
Bago lang yan, kailan lang ginawa yan?
Ah!
Dati bus na ba ano yung bus na sinasakya papunta dito?
So ano ba sinakyan pala namin nila amo nun, bus? Galing Chunmon?
Oo, bus pa dati, kailan lang NTR
okay.
dito. Uy,
Sorry naman. Yeah, the ultimate Ocean Park. Oh, wala nang tao, maganda na mag-picture. Punta ka doon. Loose na kasi siya eh. Goodbye. Signing off. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoy the view here inside the ocean park. See you again.
So you notice too, sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, I remember life before you, that's
Ayan,
right.
maliwanag na.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if